Good morning everyone, it's Monday morning. I thought I would vlog a little bit each day this week, or just Monday to Friday. It might be tricky on the days where I'm looking after Gray, but I feel like I can give it a go. So I'm just trying to set up my computer. My mouse has just like disconnected and it's freaking out. I've probably got about 15 minutes till we need to start recording the podcast. So Anna will call me, and then after recording the podcast we're doing an ad read for the podcast where we have to like have a Zoom with the brand. You'll hear on the podcast, it's one where we're like interviewing someone kind of. So that'll probably take up the first half of the day, but I need to get into podcast mode. Rich is taking Gray to swimming lessons this morning. I'm so happy for her that she started swimming again because she loves it, and there was just such, like, most of the year she wasn't able to. Last time we had swimming lessons she was so little she wouldn't have even remembered. So yeah, I'm really happy. It's such a nice little thing they get to do together. Anna's wearing a dressing gown because she's cold. Very nice. She says she even put makeup on today. You look lovely. Okay, podcast and ad read is done, and I thought I'd quickly show you guys some of the things from my PO box because I picked up a load of posts on the weekend and I've got lots of lovely things in my office that I was about to put away. First of all, this is from Way, the hair brand. They've collaborated with Byredo. Byredo do the most gorgeous like perfume scents. Such a clever collaboration. I used a little bit this morning actually. My hair's like kind of needs a wash. So it's a dry shampoo but using the Byredo scent. It smells so nice. I really like this. I've only just tried it this morning, but it seems really nice, so that's cool. Oh my god, this is mega. Space NK have just launched their advent calendar. It's so weird that everyone's talking about Christmas already. Like, where has this year even gone? Actually, in this industry, people start talking about Christmas in July, so this is even quite late for them. But look at their advent calendar this year, a beauty advent calendar. Obviously, it's a massive splurge. Like, often people, I think, get this like as their Christmas present, and obviously you just opening it early because you want to start from the first. This year it comes like this. It looks like a kind of book, like volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, volume 4, and in each little door obviously is an amazing beauty product, but it's also a little poem written by my friend Charlie Cox, a little Christmas poem, which I just think is brilliant. So excited for her. Such a cool like project to work on. So this is what the Space NK beauty advent calendar looks like this year. Oh my god, what an absolute treat. Caroline sent me her Skin Rocks beauty bag. This is like one of her like merchandise things. A massive neon yellow bag with camo print on the inside. That'd be so good for storing like all skincare bits. I got sent some products from this brand I've never heard of. S-A-I-E. Obviously I haven't tried them yet, so I can't really tell you guys, but everything seems very up my street. Everything's very glowy, dewy. They've got a glowy super gel, which is a bit like a primer. They've got a mascara, which seems like a very nice natural mascara. A dew balm, so this is like a liquid highlighter. Lip gloss, and a liquid lip balm. So everything's very balmy and glowy and juicy. And yeah, I'm definitely going to give those a go. I will obviously let you know if they become favourites of mine. This is a really cool collaboration as well. Elemis have partnered up with Scamp and Dude, which is a lovely small brand owned by a mum. You might recognise the leopard print that is what Joe, the founder, is famous for. I've got some of her jumpers and tracksuit bottoms, and this is just a lovely skincare superheroes box. Pretty sure it's aimed at mums, but also anyone could use the products. It's just a lovely little pampering box. You also get a little discount code for Scamp and Dude. So inside you get one of Scamp and Dude's famous swag bags, like a massive makeup bag, and then in the bag you get the products. There's like a milk bath, there's a pillow facial, their famous like body oil, and some of the eye masks. That is a lovely present for someone. Really cool collaboration. Also, I just got a delivery, so let me just quickly open it up. Oh my god, they're just like pinged. This is a candle from a brand called Plum and Ashby that I ordered. 100% of the proceeds are going to Tommy's charity. Tommy's funds research into baby loss, whether it's miscarriage, stillborn, premature birth. I talked about this on my Instagram. So it's a really nice way to donate to charity, and you get a lovely product whilst doing it. So this is the Fresh Fig and Jasmine scented candle. Smell it. I love a fig candle. Really lovely packaging as well. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my god, that's like probably one of the nicest fig candles I've ever smelled. Really, really lovely. I'm going to put the link for this down below. Please guys, if you would like to buy one and make a donation by doing so, that would also make a lovely gift. I don't know why I keep talking about gifts, like I don't know what people are buying gifts for at the moment, but there's always something. Okay, the task for this afternoon is to create a reel. I want to create like a fashion-y reel. It's going to take me far too long. It's quite tricky to do by yourself, like there's self-timers and there's things, but it's definitely much easier to do with someone helping. So it's going to take me too long, and I'm much more aware now about how I spend my time. I only work 2.5 days a week. So it's really tricky considering half like of the whole Monday is taken up by the podcast. I find it really hard to manage my time, and I definitely don't have enough of it. So although this probably isn't the most sensible way to spend the next few hours, I really want to like always keep learning and knowing how to do things. So I want to know how to do a reel like this, and I think you guys will like it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Try to plan out some outfits here. There's just going to be a lot of running up and down the stairs. I need to shoot it downstairs because I just think that standing on carpet looks a bit weird sometimes in like fashion things. So I'm going to do it downstairs, which means I've got to move all the toys out the way. I don't know, I need to go, I need to start. Actually, I really can't talk any longer. But this is the first outfit I'm wearing, which I really like. This kind of Arquette vest, which has been sold out. Hopefully it'll come back into stock, with the shirt, my Chanel bag, skinny jeans, boots. Okay, I've decided to film it holding my phone in the mirror instead of tripod and self-timer and stuff, because I don't really know exactly how to do it, and I think I need to do it on a less like busy work week. But I think it's going to be cool, hopefully. I did it. I think I did it. It's short and sweet, and I'm happy with it. I'm gonna tidy up the mess that I've created, like actual mess everywhere. And then this afternoon, I have an eyebrow appointment. I can't wait. Look at these bad boys, they really need threading. Whilst I'm there, I need to take a couple of things back. I don't like going to shops that often at the moment, but if I'm gonna do it, I'm just gonna get it done and go when it's like a bit quieter. Let me know if you saw the reel. Go give it a like or a comment if you did, please. Okay, I'm heading out wearing my Anine Bing jacket I got last year. I love this. I'm so glad I treated myself to it because I just think it's the perfect autumn coat. And M&M knit, Gucci bag, M&M joggers, Veja trainers. Very happy with this outfit, very comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna go. I came all the way here. I needed to bring something back to a shop that Rich has already tried to take back for me, but because I used my Apple Pay, he couldn't return it because the card on Apple Pay is for some reason different to the actual card, even though it's the same card. Boring story. That's why I was coming here, to bring something back, and I left it at home. I can't believe that. I'm so annoyed at myself. We're just putting this little lady to bed. And then I just need to go back to my desk for a little bit and plan, because I've got a photo shoot thing on Wednesday morning, and because I'm not working tomorrow, I don't want to get to Wednesday morning and not know what I'm doing, so I'm going to try and like prep for that. We're up. We're just making breakfast. What should we have for breakfast? Okay, just packing my bag for the day at the zoo. We've got a banana. Got lots of snacks down there. Fully prepped nappy bag. And then in here, I've got a Baby Bell, sandwich, and a mini cucumber. And her water bottle is full. I knew it'd be too hard to vlog on days with Gray. I like totally forgot I was even doing this vlog. We went to the zoo, it was really nice. Then she fell asleep in the car on the way home, which was a bit of a disaster. But I managed to get her back to sleep at home for her lunchtime nap. And now it's the afternoon. We had someone come over to check the grass, not looking good. They think we need new grass. They said they can help us. I think it was Green Thumb. You guys recommended them on Instagram. They were brilliant. Really, really lovely, friendly guy. He basically said that he can help us make our current grass look better, but if we want to change the like hard bumpiness of the grass, then we'll need to totally relay it. We are gonna get a quote on fake grass. We really want fake grass, but my dad made me feel really bad because it's obviously not great for the planet. So we'll just have to work out what's best for us, and price-wise, and having kids and all of that. So yeah, Gray's just watching the Gruffalo now. Gonna make some dinner for her, and I think that's all our vlog for today. I need to wash my hair tonight because I've got a shoot tomorrow morning for a job, so my hair needs to be clean for that. I'm just prepping for this shoot tomorrow, and I've got this pampas grass, which you will see when the job goes live what that's all about. But apparently the best way to maintain it is with some hairspray, so I'm gonna put some hairspray on this outside just so it like isn't too stinky down here. I'm also gonna cut it It's a little bit long, so I've got my shears and I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter. That's hilarious. I feel like I've just played like hairdresser for a little while, but actually that has really helped like it hold its shape a little bit more, and hopefully it will molt a little bit less as well. Anyway, I need to play with these a little bit more tomorrow when I'm taking photos. Good morning everyone, it's Wednesday. Had a little bit of a panic drama childcare today, but I think we've sorted it. I'm not gonna get a full work day like I would normally on a Wednesday, but I've just got 2 hours and I've got a really important like job shoot that I'm doing. Georgia Furness is coming over. She is gonna help me take some photos. I don't always use photographers, but sometimes when I know it's gonna be quite tricky, and especially if it's like a work day for Rich and I know it's not something we can do in Gray's nap time, and I just know that we're gonna find it stressful and argue, it's better just to get a photographer. So this is gonna be my first social distance shoot. She's coming over, but we're gonna social distance. She's gonna wear a mask and I'm gonna wear a mask like whenever I'm not in a photo. Yeah, I think it's gonna be great. So I'm just making myself some raisin toast and a cup of tea to start the day. She's gonna be here in half an hour. Fingers crossed it all goes well. I think it will. There's some like nice light in the kitchen today. I'm wearing lipstick. I haven't worn lipstick in ages. I just think it looks kind of weird on me now because I'm so used to seeing myself without it. But yeah, hair's done, makeup's done. I need to like put on some clothes. Let's do this. I've made lunch for me and Georgia with falafel, avocado, burrata, and some salad dressing. The shoot went really well. It was quite like a bitty job, lots of different things to take photos of and do like stories for, but yeah, I think we got it and I think it's going to be some really nice content. So Georgia's left now. Gray is napping upstairs, and this afternoon is just me and Gray. We're gonna find something to do. Maybe we'll walk to the park. That's about all that's happening today. Good morning guys. Today it is Thursday. It's the 1st of October. How is it October? It's like Halloween month. Where has this year gone? It is freaking me out, I swear. Oh my god, Halloween. People used to go around different houses and like stick their hand in a bowl of sweets. That's not gonna happen this year. How strange is that? Anyway, side note. I went a bit off the point there. It's Thursday, it's a work day. Rich has gone out with Gray somewhere this morning, and hopefully, not 100% sure yet, but hopefully the plan for today is that Anna and Mark are coming down, which will be so exciting. We actually saw them quite recently, but we haven't seen them for like the whole year, so like more the merrier. I can't wait to see them again if it's happening. Hopefully. I love seeing like Gray play and get on with my friends. It's just like the best thing about having a kid. Also, while Gray naps, the plan is for me and Anna and Rich and Mark to record a podcast episode together. Oh my god, that would be so fun. I really hope it works out because it's just like be a bit different. I'm used to recording the podcast like on my own and looking at a screen, but to actually have like Anna in front of me and to have the boys as well, I mean, it makes me totally nervous. Rich is like, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm like media trained, but when you've been doing this job for that long, like it's almost automatic that I know if I say something, I know if it's going to be like controversial or it's going to upset people, or like, you know, I'm not going to lie, there's always that slight filter there. And Rich obviously doesn't have that filter, so it does terrify me a little bit. I mean, I don't know what he could say, but you just never know with the internet, do you? So yeah, but it'll be really fun. We haven't got any lunch for them. We're just like the worst hosts ever, I swear. I don't know what we're gonna do about lunch, but oh, they're pretty easy guests to have actually, so that'll be so nice. Really hope it happens. For now though, I'm just putting together all the content that we shot yesterday for this job. So obviously I've got all the photos and the videos, and now I need to kind of put it into the format. So like different, I've got like 3 stories, and then like a week later we're doing another story, so I put all the text on. You can't save handles or hashtags or anything like that on stories. So what I do is I kind of do all the text without all those handles. When you do a job, you have to send it to a brand and they have to approve it, and then once it's all approved and it's actually going live, that's when you add in all the details and the handles and the hashtags and the links, which is why I can't just be like anywhere when a job's going live. I've got to be like at my desk concentrating because there's lots of little different bits to put in there. So that's what I'm doing now. Rich went to his first music class today. Yeah. Since everything that's happened. Was it fun?
It was good fun. I really enjoyed it. I genuinely enjoyed it.
Yeah, I'm so jealous. Now we're playing, we're waiting for Anna and Mark to come. Okay, I'm balancing the Lego board on my head and we're running around the kitchen. This is the game. You can't get me! Mark the baby entertainer. Guys, Gray is asleep and we are ready to record. This is so exciting because we've never recorded in real life together. Anna and Mark are here on the other end of the table. Hello. Oh my god, this is so fun.
At home with, but just at yours.
Social distance that.
Should we try and get like a photo? Good morning, it is Friday and I cannot tell you how rainy it is today. Can you see the rain? Not really. This morning, Gray and I are gonna go visit my grandma and my auntie, which would be so nice because I haven't seen them in ages. So we're gonna go over there. And that's kind of the only plan. I need to like drop something at my mum's house, but that's about it really. Not the most exciting of Fridays ever, but it's just rainy. It's so hard to like know what to do with the toddler when it's raining, when like a lot of the classes and indoor kind of baby gyms and soft plays are closed. She's never really actually been able to go to soft play because she was too little before lockdown. So that's a shame. But anyway, she'll love going to see my grandma. Everything's like soft play to her. Last night I got into like organising mode and I'm so impressed with myself. I've got this console table and it was filled with overspill makeup, so like spare makeup. Things that I might need for videos and stuff, but actually the reality is I never use this stuff. So I went through it all last night and I've managed to get it down. So on this side, there's literally just some hair tools, but the makeup from that side is totally gone. And then literally all I have is this stuff. So there's some lipsticks and I think some like nail tools and a couple of palettes, and that's it. I need to organize it properly, but I am so impressed and so happy. It means I can use this actually for some extra storage. The next thing I really need to do is clear out this drawer. It's just like mess. It's literally just mess. Where has this day gone? I haven't even vlogged today. It's time for your bath, Gray. We're late for the bath. So we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna have a bath. Mama. Yeah, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. It's gonna be epically long. Let's go have a bath. See you guys in my next video. Can you say bye?